Hello everyone, welcome to Developers and Coders Club. Today we are here with a problem named twins. So this is the large problem statement. Basically this problem is saying that you are given n number of coins and you have to divide these coins into two bags. Suppose one is your bag and next one is your friend's bag. And what you have to do is you have to make your bag sum of coins in your bag larger than your friend's bag. In order to do so, you have to pick minimum number of coins. You have to pick minimum number of coins to make your sum of your bag larger than your friend's bag. Getting or not? Let me explain you the example. Suppose here 3 is denoting the number of coins, and here 212 is denoting the value of each coin. Suppose if you pick this coin, this last coin 2, and your friend's bag will be left with 2 and 1, your friend's bag will be left with 3. A total number of coins in your friend's bag will be 3 and your bag will be 2. So this is not the required solution. You have to pick one more coin. So if you pick 1 and 2, now your bag will be containing 3. Value of your bag will be 3 and your friend's bag will be 2. So least number of coins needed to make your bag larger than your larger than your friend's bag is will be your answer. Let me explain you with an example. Suppose we are given with the 2 3, the value, these are the values of the coin: 2 3 4 1 4 6. So first of all you have to sort this. I'll tell you why we are sorting. Because in sorting we don't have to look here and there for which is the largest number. You have to pick minimum number of coins. So in order to do so, you have to pick the largest number of coins. Let me create a table. Sum, it's sum, and here I'll write yours bag. uh, Cope up with the writing yours bag, and this will be our answer, that how many coins we have. So let us consider the example. Initially the sum of the bag will be, I guess this is 20. Yes, I guess this is 20 here. And your bag will be having 0. Initially you don't have any coins, and your answer will also be 0. That answer means you are picking the number of coins. So I took one coin from this lot. I took one coin, and this time the sum will be 14 and yours will be 6, and your answer will be increased by 1 because you have picked one coin. And in the next step, because you are going into the next step, because the sum is still greater than your bag, so you'll pick one more coin. These are your coins. You'll pick one more coin, and now the sum will be 10, and yours bag will also be having value 10. But this is not the required solution, because you have to make strictly larger. Your bag should be strictly larger than your friend's bag. So this is holding equality. So we have to take one more coin. I'll go to this coin now. This is your value of your bag, and now it will become 6 and it will become 14. Now you can see that the value of your bag is strictly greater than your friend's bag. So in order to do so, you have picked 3 coins. Now this is the required answer. This is our required answer we were looking for. Once we are get with the condition that your bag is strictly greater than your friend's bag, we'll break the loop there. So understand this table very carefully, because we are directly going to implement this table in our code. So let's move to our code. Here I have done nothing. Simply I have taken input n. Here this is input n, the number of coins, and I have declared a vector. You can also declare an array for this. And here I am doing one thing, that I am creating the sum here only. When I'm putting a number in the vector, and I am creating a sum here only. And after that I am sorting that vector. You know why I'm sorting. And after that, this is the required conditions. It should be, this is the uh, core concept of this question. What I am doing here is twin 2. Twin 2 means that it's your bag, and sum means that total number of sum of the coins, isn't it? Now what I'm doing, I'm putting the last number from the sum. Last number, that is 6. For example, if you take this last number from the sum into twins 2, means You are taking one coin from the lot. And if you are beginner, then you must be thinking what this operator means. This operator is nothing but this. So let's come back to the question. And after that, you have to decrease decrease that particular element which you have taken from the lot. You have to decrease that element from the sum. You have to decrease that element from the sum, and you have to increase the answer counter by one, and decrease the n, because after that n, and now you have to decrease the n by 2. For this, the n should be the last number. For this, n should be the second last. So this is why we are decreasing n by one. And once we get the twin 2 back greater than sum, then you don't have to, then this while loop will won't run, and you have to simply print the answer. That's it for the question. Thank you.